Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this are the skiller. You see, now I have a video footage to show now of a crime scene that take place at Swallowfield, St. Andrew. You see me, on the 29th of May, where a man that is known as Anthony Showerman Laoe, you know, his nickname is Showerman, was killed. You see, it has been reported where Mr. Showerman was at a cook shop when he was pounced upon by men on bike that brandished guns, opened fire, hitting him, and then escaped in the area. You see, now the video I'm going to show you right about now is not for everyone. You see me? It has some scenes in it that is not for everyone. Alright? Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And as always, if you like how I present the videos to you, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and leave a comment and let me know what you think. Alright? Observe.
See that Christian man is throwing me in there, Joel. You see that? I said,